Good afternoon, everybody. We're at Steve and Imee's farm. We just got through with some chooks to go chicken, yeah, along with some rice. As you can see, just kind of panning around here slow. They've been cutting the grass on this part here. It really looks good. Hopefully they'll be getting a leaf rake or two here pretty shortly to be able to rake this up, make it look even better. We're gonna walk down towards the end of the route here. This is kind of what they're thinking about for their house location, somewhere over here. And as I pan around to the rice fields, yeah, a lot of nice locations here for a building. This is kind of a little bit downhill where we're walking here, and I like to keep it slow here. Hopefully won't bounce around too much. And of course the girls are selfieing themselves to death. Yeah. Selfies and more selfies. Yeah, okay. You know when the girls get together. Oh boy, it's it is enjoyment as you can possibly get. They sure know how to have fun. They sure know how to let all the troubles and anxieties just wash off their back, and being able to enjoy each other's company. We're heading down towards the creek here, and you can see the rice fields. And it sounds like he kind of wants this part down here. I pan around real slow to be kind of a garden here, and he's got a few nice spots here to be able to plow and that, and because the water table here is so high, there's water in all the rice fields here. To make a garden is going to be pretty easy. And as you look across the way here, matter of fact, I'll walk down towards the rice field here. His piggery there, going to have 20 pens in, and then over here they're building a house for part of the family that's going to be moving here and actually be caretakers of the property here. Really good. They're kind of surrounded on a little bit of an island there by the rice fields, but yeah, so good. And we'll just pan back around over here, and they're working on that. They're working on the piggery, and as you can see here, if I walk around this way a little bit, he's got a beautiful piece of property here. I'm just we're all so impressed by the fact that, look at the creek here. Oh boy, Phil would die to have a creek like this on his property. So full of water, and so much water. Yeah, so lucky to kind of have this on his property. And I see he's been planting coconut trees close by. As we kind of get down here, and as you can see in the rice field here, the water there too, which is wow, incredible. And looking now at the rice fields all the way back up to the fence that way, just up to the fence there is as far as his land goes, right on the other side of the house that they're putting up there. But to have rice fields where you've got standing water in it like that, wow, what a blessing. And that, yep, they're in such a good location here. And as you can see, the creek that flows by here. Yeah, so nice. Wow. Walk across their little bridge here. Let's hope I don't kind of watch where I'm going here. There we go. And look at this tree. You want to see a tree that, I don't know, I would call this I don't know what you call this, the tree from hell? Oh wow, man, it is a little bit of everything here. Hollowed out, branches growing, dead parts. Wow. And of course they're down over here. Oh wow, his coffee trees. He planted his coffee trees here. And of course, look at this. Yeah, they're taking selfies here. Yeah, the typical the girls. Yeah. Yep, you know that. As many videos as you people have seen, you definitely know how the girls are. And they're actually pouring concrete down and building the pillars here now. So, oh, look at who we have here. Yeah, oh boy. Yeah, wow.
Remember the words I was telling you?
Oh, wow. And this is going to be used for the all the wow, boy. You want to talk about clay, but look at how deep the topsoil is here. I'm absolutely amazed. It's got to be 18 inches. And then beyond that, solid clay here. Yep. Say hello to everybody. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. They built the form here for the concrete piers. And as you can see, they're dumping concrete down the piers here to form the concrete piers. As I pan over here, and you can see where they've completed it. Yeah, looks really nice.
Yeah, singing carpenter.
Yep.
Guys, the carpenter.
Yep. Almost done here. It looks like they're doing the corners here, and they're going to be done with the piers, and then the way it sounds, you're going to be putting a wood roof on here. Wood. Yeah, with metal like aluminum.
Now I'm going to put the to make the pigs cooler. I'm going to put the what do you call it?
Oh, the nipa on top. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, going to put up a wood frame, and then the nipa on top. Put a net over the nipa.
Yeah.
Buy a net and cover the nipa, and it'll last. Oh gosh, it'll last 3 years. So I'm going to say goodbye to everybody. I've gotten this far. I'm going to finish walking later on over by the house over there and take a look on it, but I'll slowly pan around here, show you the property. Absolutely gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. And right now there's a nice breeze here, partly cloudy skies. Very nice. Very, very nice. So I'll say goodbye for now from the back of the camera. You know me back here. And we'll be back with you shortly.